Welcome to Fun Food Stories, where we turn every leftover into a brand new feast. If your fridge is packed with Easter chicken leftovers and you're wondering what to do with them, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm sharing 7 incredible recipes that will make your Easter chicken taste even better the second time around. So don't even think about tossing it. Grab your apron, hit that subscribe button if you love saving food and creating magic, and share this video with all your foodie friends, because trust me, they're going to want these ideas too. Alright, let's dive right into the deliciousness. And stick with me till the end, because I've saved my absolute favorite and easiest leftover recipe for last. You don't want to miss it. Now, if you've been dreaming about something bubbling, golden, and creamy, recipe number 1 will be your comfort food fantasy come true. Creamy chicken and spinach pasta bake. Imagine tender Easter chicken tucked into creamy, cheesy pasta with fresh spinach, pure comfort food in every bite. Start by gathering your ingredients. 2 cups shredded Easter chicken, 8 ounces cooked penne pasta, 2 cups baby spinach, 1 cup shredded mozzarella, ½ cup grated Parmesan, 1½ cups heavy cream, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 cloves garlic minced, salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for magic. Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. As the butter sizzles and releases that irresistible nutty aroma, sauté the garlic until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the heavy cream and a pinch of nutmeg, stirring until it thickens slightly, sending warm, creamy clouds of scent through your kitchen. Toss in the spinach and watch it wilt into silky green ribbons. Now add your chicken and cooked pasta, stirring to coat everything in that luscious sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Transfer it to a baking dish. Shower the top generously with mozzarella and Parmesan until it looks like a cheesy snowstorm waiting to melt into bubbling, golden bliss. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes until beautifully bubbly and golden. Love a little kick. A sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes will wake up your taste buds. Do you prefer your pasta bake extra cheesy or a little more saucy? Tell me in the comments. Next up, if you're someone who loves a little sweet surprise in your meals, you're going to adore recipe number 2. Chicken salad with a sweet twist. This isn't your average chicken salad. We're talking creamy, crunchy, slightly sweet perfection, all dancing together in a single bite. You'll need 2 cups diced Easter chicken, ½ cup mayonnaise or Greek yogurt for a healthier twist, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1/3 cup chopped celery, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 1/4 cup chopped walnuts, salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine everything and mix gently, letting the textures blend beautifully. Serve it piled high on buttery croissants or crisp lettuce leaves for a lighter, fresher bite. A splash of fresh lemon juice brightens everything beautifully and makes the flavors pop like spring sunshine. Add a pinch of cinnamon if you want a secret ingredient everyone will rave about. Now, if you've been craving that classic cozy Sunday dinner feeling, recipe number 3 is pure magic, the cozy, soul-warming leftover chicken pot pie. Gather these cozy ingredients. 2 cups diced Easter chicken, 1 cup frozen peas and carrots, ½ cup corn, optional but delightful, 1/3 cup butter, 1/3 cup flour, 1 3/4 cups chicken broth, 2/3 cup milk, salt, pepper, thyme, 1 sheet store-bought puff pastry or a pie crust. Melt butter in a skillet and stir in flour to make a quick, toasty roux, letting it bubble into golden goodness. Gradually whisk in the chicken broth and milk to create a silky, creamy sauce. Stir in your chicken and veggies, seasoning generously. Pour into a baking dish, top with puff pastry, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until flaky, buttery layers puff up in the oven like a golden, edible cloud. Brush the pastry with a little beaten egg for that irresistible golden shine. Sprinkle a little fresh thyme on top right before serving for an herbaceous lift. Feeling a little spicy? Get ready for a flavor-packed adventure with recipe number 4. Chicken quesadillas with spicy ranch dip. You'll need 2 cups shredded Easter chicken, 1½ cups shredded cheddar cheese, flour tortillas, ½ cup ranch dressing plus 1 tablespoon hot sauce for the dip. Lay down a tortilla, scatter cheese and chicken over it like treasure, top with another tortilla, and cook on a skillet over medium heat until it's crispy, golden, and melty inside. For the dip, stir together ranch and hot sauce for a creamy, fiery finishing touch. Want next-level flavor? Sprinkle taco seasoning over the chicken before adding it to the quesadillas. Are you team extra cheese or team extra crispy quesadilla? Let me know. Alright, let's switch gears for a speedy and satisfying favorite, recipe number 5. Chicken fried rice. This is the kind of meal that comes together faster than you can order takeout, and it's a brilliant fridge clearer too. Ingredients: 2 cups shredded chicken, 3 cups cooked rice, day-old rice works best, 2 eggs, lightly beaten, 1 cup mixed frozen veggies, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, green onions for garnish. In a large pan or wok, heat sesame oil, scramble the eggs into fluffy golden curds, then push them aside. Stir-fry the veggies and chicken until warm and savory, then add the rice, breaking up clumps as you go. Splash in the soy sauce and toss everything together, including the scrambled eggs, until it's hot, fragrant, and beautifully colored. A little drizzle of oyster sauce or hoisin sauce takes this dish over the top into restaurant-worthy territory. For an even deeper flavor, throw in a dash of green onions and toasted sesame seeds right before serving. If your heart is calling for something warm and nurturing, get excited for number 6, a hearty chicken and veggie soup. It's the perfect cozy meal, especially when spring weather can't decide what it's doing. You'll need 2 cups shredded Easter chicken, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 6 cups chicken broth, 1 teaspoon thyme, salt and pepper, a handful of egg noodles, or rice if you like. In a large pot, sauté the onion, carrots, and celery until tender and aromatic. Stir in garlic and breathe in that incredible kitchen magic. Pour in broth and bring it to a simmer, letting the flavors deepen. Add chicken, thyme, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 20 minutes, adding noodles or rice toward the end if desired. Serve with a slice of bread on the side. This soup freezes beautifully, perfect for those cozy nights when you want a homemade hug in a bowl. Are you more of a noodle soup person or a rice soup lover? Let me know. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, recipe number 7. The ultimate chicken breakfast hash. Because who says leftovers are just for lunch and dinner? Ingredients: 2 cups diced chicken, 2 cups diced potatoes, or use frozen hash browns, 1 red, yellow and green bell pepper diced, 1 small onion diced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 to 4 eggs, salt, pepper, paprika, and shredded cheese. Heat olive oil in a skillet until it shimmers like a tiny sun. Cook the potatoes in the hot olive oil until golden and crispy, then add peppers and onions, cooking until they're tender and sweet. Stir in chicken, seasoning generously with salt, pepper, and smoky paprika. Crack eggs over the top and cover until the eggs are just set, with rich, runny yolks ready to burst over your crispy hash. Add a sprinkle of shredded cheese right before serving for extra, ooey gooey goodness. And there you have it. 7 irresistible ways to turn your Easter chicken leftovers into meals that might just be better than the original feast. I hope you're feeling excited to dive into your fridge and get creative. If you love these ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Tell me which recipe you're going to try first, or if you have a leftover trick up your sleeve. Thank you for joining me here on Fun Food Stories, where every meal tells a story, every leftover finds a new life, and every kitchen adventure is worth celebrating. Remember, every leftover is just a new story waiting to be told. Let's keep cooking, keep creating, and keep celebrating together. Until next time, happy cooking and even happier eating.